Today I'm going to be replacing the hard drive in this Indigo Firewire model 366 megahertz iBook G3 that I got locally. I picked up 3 of these and I am getting 2 more delivered to me tonight, or tomorrow, either way. They all had dead hard drives. We're missing the leaf or the stem or whatever in the Apple logo, and all have bad CD-ROM drives, I think, and of course dead batteries. But what iBook clamshell in 2021 has a working battery, so that's not a big deal. But anyways, as you may know, it is a really extensive process swapping the hard disks in these machines. I mean, it's doable, but it takes about 2.5 hours or 2 hours. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. It's obviously going to be sped up, but I'm just going to show you that it is in fact dead right now. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the iBook. I've already done this to 2 of the 3 machines. So if we power it on here, of course, you get a typical clicking sound. And it'll just stay on this for the longest time and then show the question mark folder. So yeah, that's what we are going to be doing in this video, swapping the dead hard drive. I think it's a 10 gig with a 60 gigabyte new Apple branded IDE drive. Here's the drive that I'm going to be swapping in. It's technically not Apple branded, it's Toshiba, but it is an Apple OEM drive. I believe it came out of a 2005 iBook G4. You can see I'm just doing a quick, or actually it takes a pretty long time, HD tune test to make sure everything is okay before I put this drive in and have it potentially be bad. So I'm just having this run while I do the actual disassembly. So without further ado, I'm just going to get on with the repair process. I like to use a towel just so it doesn't scratch the lid of the machine. finally got to the dead hard drive, and you can see it is secured to the board by these three 5mm standoffs. One here, up here, which you can't really see, and one down here. And you could use a 5mm socket to get this off, which I recommend doing, but since I don't have that, I just use standard needle nose pliers. And just grab it, you know, like this. Not like that. And twist. And I have to do that a bunch, so I'll speed this part up too because it's really boring.
What I'm seeing now, I'm looking at a view from a different cloud. She tryna come with me when I'm leaving out. If you can see her face when I turn her down. See, I just keep moving now and turn around. You're going through some pain, gotta let it out. I'm doing plenty drug, tryna calm it down. Yeah, take a different route, but don't go crazy. Yeah, I got a couple bucks, a couple, baby.
Okay, so I've got the drive ready to be taken out in the iBook. It's all unscrewed. And ironically, the disc test hasn't even finished before I'm done. It's been 43 minutes, but it's basically done. So I'll just wait for this to finish and we'll continue on with the restoration. Okay, so this drive has whichever mounting screws still from the iBook G4 that it came out of, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those real quick. Okay, here we have the new drive all installed with the connector connected to the motherboard and all three 5mm standoffs. So it's time to start reassembling the entire laptop.
But that shit get the tweaking, it's open and burn. See me, I'm cherylessing, he see me sensing he nerve. Get to forgetting, hear actions speak louder than words. Nene speak louder than action, he wake up covered in worms. Just that East Memphis hustler increasing my work. She hit me what I'm doing, nothing the usual work. Passing the sign, trying to find a big lighter that works. Yeah, hanging on me, bitch, yeah, I'm twerking a smirk. Creeping on Smurf, let out shots, find them laid on the curb. I'm off the search, so I might miss a couple at first. She wanna fuck, I'ma worry about what's in the purse. We run a purse, hit the block to cut something that burn. You need a nurse, if I expose was up under my shirt. He like, can we switch like, cause he assume I come with purse. I'm guessing he got me confused, cause that don't sound like Smurf. Cause Smurf is tight to stay low key, stay away from the skirts. I put money over anyone could understand hers. I swear people can't take the truth and they understand hers. I'm screaming fuck the world for reasons, can't say the converse. Just know that wise hustle found till I'm covered in dirt. Yeah, is it me and hustle found till I'm covered in dirt? Push. wake up looking good, let me eat now. You see platinum dragons joining me when I feast now. Call me Tundra boy from the east, I come high now.
One last thing I'm going to do before I seal up this iBook completely is install this 256 megabyte RAM module. Just doing this right now so I don't have to take out the airport card again. Alright.
So go high now, looky here. Hoes used to hate but they want ride now. I say hell no while I'm looking in her eyes now. Bands on me, I hate to say it but it's true now. Fuck you mean, niggas get so mad when I step out, but they can't fuck with me cause I will let some stress out. 37,000 swings to your fucking flesh, wow. They say damn, Wolf you do more than just impress now. Mosh pits full of tears that we had to let out. Falling jewels crying on my chest, I say they're there now. Calm down, I'ma keep us safe while we fight now. I don't need a horse, my final form is the wolf now. Blades getting jealous cause my teeth are just as sharp now. Fuck you mean, Hollow Squad mobbing around the clock now. Niggas cannot even hate no more, they just stop now. They say damn, Wolf I understand, can we walk now? I say damn, nigga I forgive you so go smoke now. Rhyme round, grooving around my city, probably yours too. I gotta hit up TA double dollar for that ooh. Smoking good, that's just how we do.
First, I'm going to try to boot from a CD, but something tells me this isn't going to work, so let's just connect up the iBook power. Power it on. Check that. Pop it in. Felt kind of crunchy. I'm holding down C. Maybe this one will be the lucky iBook and have the working CD-ROM. That would actually be awesome. Okay, I mean, we're getting somewhere. Well, that took 6 whole minutes to boot up, so something is definitely wrong with the CD drive, but let's just make sure the hard disk is working. Okay, let's use an ATA volume. Just gonna make it 2 partitions. And initialize. Okay. So all looks well. We have 2 partitions, which means our repair was successful. 27 gigabytes and 27 gigabytes. So I'm going to try to install macOS 9 off this CD, but something tells me it's not going to work. And I will probably end up using another iBook clamshell to just copy over the files via FireWire and target this mode. So, but you know, it's got this far, so maybe it will work.
There I go, cocaine flicking ass on the floor. Yeah, this me. There I go, thumbing bands, throwing ones on the floor. Yeah, this me. There I go, cocaine flicking ass on the floor. Yeah, this me. There I go.
Okay, to my surprise, that actually installed successfully, so you can exit this and reboot the computer. Take out the disk. start booting up.
I'm sitting on a planet with no name and I'm blazing. Bitch, I know you ignorant, you a foolish little player. Asia, dancing in my glacier. Bitch,
Okay, well, I'm going to set up the computer and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. Everything is working good. And you can see the airport is working too. Sound is working. And you can see 320 megabytes of RAM, so all is good. And that basically concludes the repair. 366 megahertz. And there's the hard drive, 60 gigabytes. So that was very successful. Thank you for watching and have a good day.